Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SKIL brand, their PWR CORE 12 brushless 12 volt auto hammer kit. Includes a 2 amp hour lithium-ion battery and power jump starter charger right here. This is a really cool device. It's compact size, has a brushless motor inside here, so you don't have to worry about brushes wearing out, so it's going to be just as powerful today as it is 3 or 4 years from now. Has 3-position adjustable head. You can go 45, 90, and we're going to show all that. A magnetic collet to help hold nails up to 3.5 inches long for one-handed use, especially in hard to reach areas where you can't swing a hammer. That's what this is for. Has longer runtime and battery life. Industry-leading PWR CORE 12 lithium-ion battery technology wraps each cell with a cooling material to allow it to cool off during use. Now right here you can see it's got a little display. I've got to charge it, and what's so cool, it's got a USB 1 amp port right there, A port. Really nice. Comes with this protector so that if you're traveling, going to a place to work, you put that on so they have to worry about these getting damaged, something poking in there. Really clever. You have a really heavy duty belt clip that you can mount to the screw right there if you want to do that. And the charger is really sophisticated. We're going to show that because this will charge up to 25% in just 5 minutes or 100% in 45 minutes. And they're able to do that because they're putting a lot of energy into the charging by having those cells wrapped in a cooling material. That's really clever. Now notice on the bottom of this, it actually has a USB-A port also. We're going to test that. And how cool is that? You could charge this while you're charging the battery, and you could actually use this to charge a mobile phone or something else. We're going to test that out. So let's first show you how to charge this. It's really simple. We're going to plug this in to 120 volts right here, just like that. And you see it flashed right there. Now we're going to take the battery pack itself and we're going to plug it in right there. Now what it's going to do, you heard a relay click. This is a high power charger, and you can see it starts to blink, gives you status. When it's all solid green, it's finished. If it shows red, it means something's damaged in the battery or defective, or high temperature, give you status right there. Now what's really cool about this, if you look close, you see the UL right there. So you know it's high quality for you to use in your home. It's also there on the charger. And SKIL has UL listed products, so you know that they're great and they've been tested thoroughly. So it also comes with instruction manuals, and it talks about each of the things. There's the battery, there's the instruction manual for the device itself and for the actual charger. These typically have a 2 to 3 year warranty, but you could go online and you can get a 5-year warranty. Just go there and it'll let you do that, and that's really great. So you know they're backing their tools by a 5-year warranty. That's impressive. So we're going to let this charge, but I'm going to go and show you the tool while that's charging right here. So this is where the battery goes, where it plugs in, locks in place, and right on here there is the safety. So if you push that up, you can't accidentally push this. So you have to go like that to get it to work. If you look right here, push those in, and then you could change the angle. And we're going to show you there's a nice bright light on there. Make sure that it's locked in place at the angle you want. So what's the use of this tool? I'm going to show you. This is going to allow you to hammer a nail in really just 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch of throw. Normally you swing a hammer 2, 3, 4 feet in an arc. You don't have to do that with this. You're probably using that the most, that's 90 degrees. But by putting it at 0 degrees like this, you can go directly up on something and nail something in place, which is really nice. And it has really good grip control on here. And again, they show you that it's brushless, and you can see a little fan inside there. If you look closely, see that fan? That's cooling this down, keeping the temperature under control. And this grip action on here means that you could put some solid force, even push down right there when you're putting the nail and driving it in. So we're going to demonstrate that, but first let's let this battery charge so we have a nice power to show you. So while this is charging, I'm going to show you. I've got a USB-A to USB-C cable, and I just plugged it in right there, and I'm getting a quick charge, 1 amp charge on my Pixel 6. So that's excellent. And check this out. Now I have the battery, and I have it plugged in, and you see it's blinking right there. And I'm charging my Pixel 6 with that battery. If you want to initiate a charge, because when you first plug it in, it doesn't go on, just push this button right there, and it'll initiate a charge. But it also gives you the status while it's charging, so you know how much energy is being depleted while you're charging a mobile phone or anything that uses a USB-A port. Okay, so it finished charging very quickly. You see that's a solid green right now. Now we can test the product. So the battery pack itself slides on and locks in place just like that. And now we have the option I talked about where it's got the lock or the unlock right there. And you see it's got the bright LED on there and the angle changing that I described. Now you notice you don't hear anything going on because there's no resistance yet. As soon as I put some resistance, then it starts hammering my fingers. So we're going to give this a try. We're going to put some long 3-inch nails into some 2x4s. I'm going to show you the magnet that's in here. It's kind of on the side, so it's going to hold the thing in the position, but you got to make sure that it's vertical, and then you can guide it with your finger when you're starting. The magnet is not on the piston because the piston is very hardened material, so they didn't want to magnetize that. So it's really on the side of the unit. So after testing, what do I think about the SKIL brand? Their PWR CORE 12 brushless 12-volt auto hammer kit with the 2 amp hour lithium battery and the jump starter right here. It's got the USB-A port, status indicators, and also the USB-A port on here and the status right there. Really, really cool device. I love the light on there. I love the ability to change the angle. And as I demonstrated, this thing hammers nails in quite effortlessly. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.